Hello students, today we will start chapter 1 of class 9 number system. So I will give first some introduction about this chapter, about some numbers we will discuss. बचपन से आप पढ़ते आ रहे हैं तरह तरह के नंबर्स, नेचुरल नंबर, होल नंबर, इंटीजर्स, ये सब आप बचपन से पढ़ते चले आ रहे हैं. तो एक बार बस जस्ट हम लोग इसको रिकॉल करेंगे कि व्हाट आर नेचुरल नंबर्स. Collection of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are natural numbers, and the collection is denoted by capital N. Whole numbers, if a member 0 is added to the natural number collection, then it becomes a whole number. A collection of these numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are denoted by W, capital W, whole numbers, and then integers when whole numbers and the negative of natural numbers. Collection of whole numbers and negative of natural numbers are known as integers, and the collection is denoted by capital Z. And now rational numbers. You have already discussed about rational number in lower classes, but again we recall the rational number. What are rational numbers? The numbers which can be written in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0, denominator is not equal to 0, are known as rational numbers. And the collection of rational numbers are denoted by capital Q. And here some examples of rational number are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, minus 1 by 2, 0. 0 is also a rational number, and we will discuss about this 0 later on. Equivalent rational numbers. We will learn about equivalent rational numbers. What are equivalent rational numbers? As we write here 1 by 2. So equivalent means if we multiply these numerator and denominators by same number, 2 by 2, we get 2 by 4, which is equivalent to 1 by 2. If we multiply these by 2 by 2, then again we get 4 by 8, which is also equivalent to 1 by 2. It means if we have to find equivalent rational number, we should multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. As for example, 3 by 4. Now find the equivalent number of 3 by 4. You can multiply the given number by 5 by 5. And you will get 15 by 20, and this 15 by 20 is equivalent to 3 by 4. So find the equivalent rational number of a given rational number. You should multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. Again one example, minus 1 by 2. So you can multiply this number by 10 by 10. And you will get minus 10 by 20, and this minus 10 by 20 is equivalent to minus 1 by 2. Also minus 1 by 2 can multiply by 5 by 5, and it becomes minus 5 by 10. And minus 5 by 10 is also equivalent to minus 1 by 2. So we can find so many equivalent rational numbers to a given rational number. मतलब इसको आप 10 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को 3 से कर सकते हैं, 4 से कर सकते हैं, -1 से कर सकते हैं, -2 से कर सकते हैं. सो यू कैन फाइंड सो मेनी इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर्स ऑफ ए गिवन रेशनल नंबर. नाउ वी विल लर्न how to write rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, and it is a very important question. Now question is, find 10 rational numbers between 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. To find so many rational numbers between any two given numbers, first we find the LCM of given denominator, and here denominators are 4 and 6. So LCM is 4 and 6 is 12, and now we will convert these denominators into 12. Now first you have to convert this denominator into 12. means 3 by 4, and you have to make this 4 12. So multiply the denominator by 3, and when you will multiply the denominator by 3, you should multiply the numerator by 3 also. But means the same number should be on denominator and numerator. So now 3 by 4 multiplied by 3 by 3 and becomes 9 by 12. Now 5 by 6 multiplied by denominator 6 is multiplied by 2 to get 12. So the numerator will also multiplied by 2. Means now the number becomes 10 by 12. Now you have to write 10 rational numbers between these two numbers. Now denominators are same, so we can multiply these given numbers by any number. You can multiply it by 5 by 5, 10 by 10, 20 by 20. How many rational numbers you have to write? You can put here large numbers by 100 by 100. If we multiply this 9 by 12, 100 by 100, we get 900 by 1200. So we can write so many numbers between these two given number, but here I only write here 20 by 20, and the number becomes 180 by 240, and here 10 by 12 when multiplied by 20 by 20, number becomes 200 by 240. Now between these two numbers 180 by 240 and 200 by 240, we can write so many numbers: 181 by 240, 182 by 240, 183 by 240, and so on up to 199 by 240. And when we multiply by 100 by 100, 1000 by 1000, we can write so many numbers between these two given numbers. It means we can write infinite rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. So the conclusion is कि between any two rational numbers we can write infinite rational numbers. किसी दो rational number के बीच में हम अनगिनत rational number लिख सकते हैं. एक और क्वेश्चन हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इसको क्लियर करने के लिए, जो कंसेप्शन है कि कैसे आप दो रेशनल नंबर के बीच में जितना भी दिया जाए उतना रेशनल नंबर लिख सकते हैं. सो क्वेश्चन इज राइट 5 रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. As you know that if we have to write rational numbers between any two given rational number, first we find the LCM of given denominator. If denominators are not same, LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. Now convert these two denominators into 6. 1 by 2 multiplied by 3, and also numerator is multiplied by 3, we get 3 by 6, and 1 by 3 multiplied by 2 by 2, it becomes 2 by 6. You have to change the denominator into 6 and you have to multiply 2 by 3, so numerator is also multiplied by 3. Always care about this, that we will multiply the numerator and denominator by the same number. So here we get 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. Now you can multiply this number by any number you like. So it becomes 30 by 60, and 10 by 10 it becomes 20 by 60. You can write many numbers between 20 by 60 and 30 by 60. What will be the numbers? 21 by 60, 22 by 60, 23 by 60, and so on up to 29 by 60. So 5 rational numbers between 20 by 60 and 30 by 60 are 21 by 60, 22 by 60, 23 by 60, 24 by 60, 25 by 60, and you can also write 26 by 60 and so on. So you can write so many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. Now next question is write 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Here 3 and 4 denominator is 1, means denominators are same. 3 can be written as 3 by 1 and 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now denominators are same, so no need to find the LCM. Directly you can multiply these numbers by any number, 10 by 10, 20 by 20, 100 by 100, 50 by 50, 6 by 6, it's your choice. So now number is 30 by 10 and here 40 by 10. Between these two numbers you can write 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers. You can easily write 31 by 10, 32 by 10, 33 by 10, 33 by 10, 34 by 10, 35 by 10, 36 by 10. These are 6 rational numbers between these two numbers 3 and 4. And second method, now see, you can write 3.3 as 3.0 and 4 as 4.0. Now you can write 6 rational numbers between these two numbers. 6 rational numbers, you can write 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. In decimal form also you can write it. Means numbers are 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6 and so on. First method, you have to find the LCM of denominators. If denominators are same, no need to find the LCM, and you can multiply these by any numbers what can you like, and then you can write 6 rational numbers, 10 rational numbers, 20 rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. And second method is, if these are like integers 3 and 4, you can write these 3 as 3.0, 4, 4.0, and you can write between these 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6, so many numbers between these two numbers. You can also write it as 3.01, 3.02, 3.03, 3.04, 3.05, 3.06 and so on. Also you can write 3.001, 3.002, 3.003, 3.004, 3.005, 3.006, 3.007. It means you can write so many rational numbers between 3 and 4. So we can write so many rational numbers between any two given rational number in decimal form also, as you see 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6 and so on, and also 3.01, 3.02, 3.03 and so on, 3.001, and you can also write it as 3.001, 3.00002, 3.0003, and you can increase the number of zeros as you wish. So we can write so many numbers, infinite numbers between any two given numbers. So अभी तक हमने दो मेथड पढ़ा किसी दो रेशनल नंबर के बीच में रेशनल नंबर लिखने का, 5, 6, 7, एंड वी नो दैट वी कैन ड्रॉ इनफाइनाइट रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन एनी टू गिवन नंबर्स. तो अभी तक दो मेथड पढ़ा, एक डिनोमिनेटर को आप सेम करेंगे और उसके बाद उसके बीच में नंबर लिख सकते हैं। दूसरा, डेसिमल फॉर्म में करके भी ढेर सारा नंबर लिखा जा सकता है। और एक और मेथड है, ये मेथड थोड़ा लेंदी है लेकिन मेथड है तो आपको बता रही हूँ। अगर आपको अच्छा लगे देन यू कैन यूज़ दिस मेथड। तो ये अगर यहाँ क्वेश्चन है कि फाइंड टू रेशनल नंबर्स बिटवीन 1/2 एंड 1/4, तो किसी दो रेशनल नंबर के बीच में अगर रेशनल नंबर निकालना है देन फर्स्ट व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, तो फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर अगर निकालना है तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे कि दोनों को ऐड करेंगे। फर्स्ट रेशनल नंबर बिटवीन 1/2 एंड 1/4, वी फर्स्ट ऐड 1/2 प्लस 1/4 and multiply it by 1/2 मीन्स जो नंबर आपको दिया हुआ है फर्स्ट आप उसको ऐड करें एंड देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय हाफ। तो एंड यू नो LCM is 4 and here 2 plus 1 and the number is 1/2 into 3/4, therefore 3/8. Now 3/8 is between 1/2 and 1/4. 3/8 is a rational number between 1/2 and 1/4. Now you have to write one more rational number between them. Then you can take these two and add second rational number. Now if you have to write second rational number, then what we have to do? Firstly, we add these two numbers 1/2 plus 3/8 and then multiply it by 1/2. Now you can do it. 1/2 into LCM 8 and here 4 plus 3 and the number is 7/16. Now 7/16 is between 1/2 and 3/8. So the second rational number is 7/16. In this way you can find so many rational numbers between any two given rational numbers. If you have to find the third rational number, what we will do? First we add 3/8 plus 1/4 and then multiply it by 1/2. This is the way, third way to find the rational numbers between any two given rational numbers, but it is a lengthy process. But I think it is a lengthy process and it will take too much time in exam. So I prefer the first method in which you have to equal the denominator of the given rational numbers and you can find so many rational numbers between these two given numbers. So first method I think is very simple and this method is too much lengthy to find the rational numbers. So don't use this method in exam. Use the first one method which we have discussed earlier. तो आप पहला वाला जो मेथड है उसमें क्या करना है, डिनोमिनेटर को आपको दोनों रेशनल नंबर के सेम करना है। अगर सेम है तो फिर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, अगर सेम नहीं है तो फर्स्ट यू हैव टू फाइंड द LCM ऑफ द डिनोमिनेटर्स एंड देन make the denominator same and find as much as rational number you have to find. So we will learn how to represent a rational number on number line. Number line you know positive numbers on right side and negative on left side. So here 3/4. 3/4 is less than 1 and greater than 0 means these will be between 0 and 1. 0 और 1 के बीच में होगा क्योंकि वो 0 से बड़ा है और 1 से छोटा है, तो 0 और 1 के बीच में होगा. एंड सी your denominator is 4, so we will divide this 0 to 1 in 4 equal parts. So here 4 equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is known as 1/4. This is 2/4. This 3/4. And this is 4/4 which is equal to 1. So 3/4 is here. this is 3 by 4 from 0 to this is 3 by 4. Thus we represent a rational number on number line. Now next question is represent 7 by 3 on number line. Number line is here. तो 7 by 3 जो है you can write it as 2 and 1 by 3 mixed fraction, and you can write it as 2 plus 1 by 3. Means 7 by 3 is greater than 2 and less than 3. 2 plus 1 by 3 means 7 by 3 is greater than 2 and less than 3. Now denominator is 3, so we will divide this in 3 equal parts. 3 equal parts. And number is 2 plus 1 by 3 means 2 और 3 के बीच में आपको ये 1 by 3 लेना है. ये जो नंबर है 7 by 3 ये है 2 प्लस 1 by 3. तो आपको 2 तक तो जाना ही जाना है. उसके बाद 2 और 3 को इस डिनोमिनेटर के हिसाब से 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करना है. एंड यू हैव टू टेक 1 पार्ट. दिस 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 3 by 3. Number 7 by 3 represent on number line as this 1 by 3. 2 plus 1 by 3. This is 7 by 3. तो अभी हमने 3 by 4 और 7 by 3 को नंबर लाइन पर ड्रॉ किया. एक तो और एग्जाम्पल लेते हैं ताकि आपको एक क्लियर हो सके. तो एक और एग्जाम्पल हमने लिया है 7 by 2 विच वी हैव टू ड्रॉ ऑन नंबर लाइन. तो फर्स्ट हम लोग क्या करते हैं, 7 by 2 है तो इसको मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में चेंज करते हैं, और फिर 3 and 1 by 2 को 3 plus 1 by 2 मीन्स अब आपको 3 तक तो नंबर लाइन पर जाना ही है, और उसका जो आगे वाला है 3 और 4 उसको आपको 1 by 2 उसमें ड्रॉ करना है. सो फर्स्ट वी टेक 1 2 3 आप 3 तक आपको आगे आना है, और उसके बाद 1 by 2 जो है तो ये जो 3 और 4 है यू हैव टू डिवाइड it into 2 parts because denominator is 2. So we draw these 3 to 4 in 2 part, and this is 1 by 2. So 3 plus 1 by 2 is 3 plus 1 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So we can draw any rational number on number line. Now I want to ask you that can you draw -1 by 4 on number line? तो आप कहेंगे मैम आपने तो अभी तक पॉजिटिव रेशनल नंबर ही बताया, निगेटिव तो आपने बताया ही नहीं. तो चलिए अब हम लोग निगेटिव वाला एक क्वेश्चन लेते हैं. एज फॉर एग्जाम्पल रिप्रेजेंट -1 by 4 on number line. तो इसमें आपको चिंता करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. -1 by 4 है तो वो इस लेफ्ट साइड में आपको जाना होगा उसको ड्रॉ करने के लिए. सो वी विल ड्रॉ -1 by 4 ऑन द लेफ्ट ऑफ 0 ऑन नंबर लाइन. सो वी विल मूव ऑन लेफ्ट साइड 0 to -1. You know -1 by 4 is less than 0 and greater than -1. So it will be between 0 and -1. So we take the denominator 4 and we divide this 0 and -1 in 4 equal part. 4 equal parts. This is -1 by 4, -1 by 4, -2 by 4, -3 by 4 and -4 by 4 which is equal to -1. So our -1 by 4 is here. OP, P represents -1/4. So if we have to draw negative rational numbers on number line, we will move on left side. Now some more examples we will solve number 4 question. As for example, we have to represent -7/4 on number line. First we draw the number line. Zero, 1, 2, and here on left side -1, -2. Now -7/4 can be written as -1 and 3/4, and you can write it as -1 -3/4. -1 -3/4. इट मीन्स आपको 0 से -1 तक तो जाना ही है. -1 और अगला जो आपका यूनिट है -1 -2, उसमें आपको नीचे डिनोमिनेटर 4 है, तो इसको कितने पार्ट में डिवाइड करना होगा? 4 पार्ट में डिवाइड करना होगा. एंड दिस इज -1/4, -2/4 एंड -3/4. We write here as P. Then P represents -7/4. OP is equal to -1 plus -3/4, which is equal to -4 -3/4. It means -7/4. सो इट इज़ क्लियर कि इफ़ आपको निगेटिव रेशनल नंबर को नंबर लाइन पर ड्रॉ करना है तो आपको लेफ्ट साइड में जाना होगा, और कोई भी इस तरह का है नंबर तो इसको पहले मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में आप चेंज करें, फिर जितना यहाँ है उसको इस तरह से आप 2 पार्ट में डिवाइड करें, और फिर आप बनाएं कि कैसे नंबर लाइन पर इसको रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. तो कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैं लास्ट में दूंगी आपको, आप उसको घर में सॉल्व करेंगे. अगर फिर उस क्वेश्चंस को मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगी. तो लास्ट में इस वीडियो के हम लोग ये डिस्कस करेंगे कि इस वीडियो में हमने क्या क्या सीखा. पहला तो डिफरेंट टाइप के नंबर्स हम लोग देखे, फिर रेशनल नंबर का डेफिनेशन हम लोगों ने सीखा, और उसके बाद किसी दिए हुए रेशनल नंबर के इक्विवेलेंट रेशनल नंबर कैसे लिखा जाए वो हम लोगों ने सीखा, और फिर हमने सीखा कि किसी 2 रेशनल नंबर के बीच में कैसे हम बहुत सारे रेशनल नंबर लिख सकते हैं, और लास्ट में हमने सीखा कि किसी दिए हुए रेशनल नंबर को, चाहे वो निगेटिव हो पॉजिटिव हो, नंबर लाइन पर कैसे हम ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं. तो उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आपको ये सारा टॉपिक समझ में आ गया होगा, और अगर नहीं समझ में आया है तो आप कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर लिखेंगे कि किस टॉपिक में आपको प्रॉब्लम है. तो फिर मैं इस सारे चैप्टर के लास्ट में एक जितने भी डाउट्स होंगे आपके उनको क्लियर करूँगी, एक डाउट्स क्लियर करने वाला वीडियो बनाऊँगी. तो फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.